Hey everybody, down here at Stop Phone Scammers, and before this video starts, I want to give you guys a little bit of background. So I called this company, and it was it was interesting. At the end of the video, I called back the number that the scammer gave me, or the company he claimed to be, which is his company. I called him back, and I asked for the same guy I was talking to, and they couldn't find him. He said that he wasn't there, or they couldn't find anybody with that name. And then I called again, and they said that it wasn't somebody. I guess he wasn't on a shift or something. So this company either has multiple call centers or multiple floors of scammers. Because this is one company that's doing this. It's just like Profix, for example. I mean, they have a call center in the United States, and then they have one in somewhere in India, and they probably have a few more. Um, but anyway, I just thought I'd let you know. Scammers are pretty interesting, as all of them usually are. But yeah, I won't spoil anything else. I'll just let you guys watch. Hey everybody, down here with Stop Phone Scammers, and today we're going to be calling some more scammers. First, before we get started, I want to show you guys something. So, since I'm not calling a pop-up scammer today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So Scammer Revolts created this program. If you guys don't know who Scammer Revolts is, one of the team members, as a senior team member, I should say. Yeah. Anyway, he did a really great job on this. Basically, what this is he created this program that looks like a fake pop-up. So we're going to use this program as bait to catch scammers. Now, you may be wondering why I'm doing this. Well, when we have a fake pop-up, it's very easy to say that we have a message and that there's a virus on the system because their fake pop-up is right there. So with this, when we call scammers, for example, that weren't off a pop-up, we could say that we have a virus and that this thing actually makes it look like we have a virus, when obviously we still don't have a virus. Now, I'll leave a link to this program down in the description. Scammer Revolts, again, did a really good job on this. I put it in the C drive, and I just renamed it to period so the scammer wouldn't find it, so... yeah, but it's completely clean, obviously. Let me scan it real quick. Yeah, see. So it's completely clean, and I scanned the whole machine, so there's nothing malicious about it. And if the scammer is actually legit tech support, and they go in and they scan with my antivirus and Malware-Bytes and things and find that this isn't a threat, then obviously they did their job correctly. And then, but we all know that isn't going to be the case, so yeah. Alright, so we're gonna give these guys a call. Well, let's see if I can find one that works. Hopefully I can find a number that works. So let's see.
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Bruce. How may I help you?
Hi, I got something on my computer that says a virus was found or something.
A virus has been found on your computer.
That's what the error message says, yeah.
So what is the error message? Can you please let me know?
It says there's no reason to panic. Try to follow the given advice. Hold on. Try to follow the given advice and links. If your computer is part of a network, unplug a network cable to avoid further spreading of the infection. It says E-card virus, and it says virus. It says the worm.
All right. And since how long have you been getting that message?
I just got it now.
Just got it. Okay. May I know, sir, which computer you are using? Like, what is the make and model of the computer?
It's an Asus computer, and it's I believe it's Windows 7.
Windows 7. Okay. And this is your personal computer or this is a work computer?
It's kind of both.
It's kind of both. Okay. Just a minute. All right. So can I have your name?
Yeah, it's Richard Tar, Tarr.
All right, you should just give me a second. And have you ever get that message before, or this is the first time?
This is the first time. I don't even know where this came from.
Okay. I want you to let me know, do you have any kind of security or any kind of protection onto your computer?
I've got Microsoft Security Essentials and Malware-Bytes.
Okay, Malware-Bytes. Just give me a second. All right, Richard. Right now, we are not even sure that what kind of message, that why exactly are these getting these kind of messages. These could be the viruses, infections, or any settings could have been changed onto your computer, which might giving you that error message. What we need to do, we need to go ahead and find out. We need to find out the root cause of the problem, and after that, I will let you know how we can fix that issue. Okay?
All right.
So what I will do, Richard, I will just go ahead and connect your computer to our global server. Once it will be get connected, I will diagnose the issue and I will fix it. So let me know, are you in front of the computer right now?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, can you do one thing for me? If you look on the keyboard of the computer, on the bottom left corner on the keyboard, do you see a four little squares Windows logo key which look like a window?
Is it next to the CTRL key?
Right, exactly. That's the key I'm talking about. You need to press that key and hold it down.
Okay.
And by holding it down at the same time, press the letter R, R is in Romeo.
Uh, okay. Something came up that said type the name of program, folder, document, internet resource, and
Right,
it'll open it
right,
for you.
right, right. Now, yeah, right. Now you may release the Windows key, take your fingers off them, let go of them, and in that run box, type in their website, that is
Okay.
www.support, like I'm supporting you, support,
Okay.
dot me, Amazon Mike, E as an echo, www.support.me,
Okay.
and then hit OK.
All right. Google Chrome is starting to open up something here.
Okay, a page will come up on your computer screen which says support connection, enter your six-digit code. Let me know when you get that page.
Okay. All right. It's loading something here.
In the mean, in the meanwhile, Richard, may I ask you like how exactly your computer is connected to the internet with a wire or high to the Wi-Fi?
It's with the wire.
To the wire, okay. And that is a laptop or is it a desktop?
It's a desktop.
Okay.
All right. The okay thing came out said support connection. Is that the thing that's where I'm supposed to be at?
Okay, is it asking you for a six-digit code?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so what I will do, I will just give you a secure six-digit code. You just need to type that code in that box. So shall I go ahead and give you the code?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay, your code will be 342
Okay.
473. 342473.
Okay. Do I click the start download button?
Right, exactly, Richard.
Okay. This is easier than I thought it was.
When you click on start download, yeah, a file has been downloaded which says support log me rescue. You need to run that file.
Okay. All right. It says waiting for technician.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good, Richard. Seems like you are a computer savvy.
Uh, no. I just followed the instructions you gave me.
No, the way you are working is really impressive. All right, if you see any option like allow access, yes, okay. Any positive option that you see onto your screen, just click on it.
All right.
All right, Richard, now please hit OK and you will be get connected with us.
Okay. All right. I clicked OK.
All right, Richard. Now your computer has been connected with us. So that was the message that you were getting.
Yeah, that I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't want to click anything because I didn't know what it would do.
hmm And this is the first time you are getting that message, right?
Right.
And as you can see, it says Avast warning. You are using Avast antivirus on your computer.
Yeah, I think so. At least that's what it says. I
You
don't
told
know.
me that you are using Malware-Bytes. Just give me a second.
I don't know. I'm not computer savvy at all. I have no idea. I just use whatever came with my computer.
Okay, because onto your computer it says, if we talk about the crash report, it says something totally unexpected just happened.
Right.
Did you download anything from onto your computer recently?
I don't think so. No.
Okay, and did you receive any email address or any suspicious email address onto your email account?
No.
Okay, because that kind of message. So let me just check it out because I didn't see this kind of message before. Maybe like there could be some infections or the viruses onto your computer which are giving you that trouble. Let me just check it. There is a All right, I'm going to open a folder onto your computer. This folder will let you know that, like, if anything wrong happened to your computer in the past, this is a folder which will create a log of that.
All right.
We will see is there anything wrong happened to your computer in the past which is giving you that trouble or not, okay?
Okay.
So if you see that Windows logs, do you see that?
Yes.
Administrative events, Windows logs. Let's see what's wrong with your computer. And I can see, Richard, your computer is running a bit slow. Have you
Yeah.
ever noticed that?
I don't. Yeah. I don't know why it's running
So, like,
slow.
yeah, it should be you are using a good computer. It should not be running that much slow. And yes, Richard, there are something wrong happened to your computer. You see that there are a lot of errors and warnings on your computer.
What does that? What does that mean?
It means you are getting some kind of unwanted applications or infection from your computer, from the internet onto your computer, which are affecting your computer performance, drivers, and the softwares. And whenever these softwares and these drivers get affected, that computer will create an error or the warning. And these were running in the background. That means, yes,
Oh. Okay.
there
So.
was an issue.
So these are like the
Could be some
infection
infections.
logs.
Yeah, these are the infection logs. Okay,
Okay.
let me just go ahead and check the status of the drivers that you have onto your computer, which are responsible for every different task that you do. They are like the columns of your computer.
Right.
You are using i5 processor, right?
Right.
hmm That is a good machine that you are using.
I don't know
Let's
what an
check the
i5 is,
drivers.
but yeah, that's what I'm using, I guess.
No, it is a good machine. At least, like this configuration of machine, you can use at least for more of 5 to 10 years. That is a really good machine.
Oh.
But
I'll have to
the
open it.
softwares, yes, these has been affected. Do you see that the kernel driver over here?
Yeah, I see that. What does that mean?
These are the drivers which are responsible for every different task. If you see, like there are some display drivers which are responsible for giving you the display on your computer screen. There are some sound drivers which are responsible for giving you the sound on your computer screen. There are Wi-Fi drivers. There are printer drivers. Every different task that you do, different drivers are required. Even if you are using the mouse, there is a mouse drivers. So every different task you do, different drivers are required, and these are all the drivers that you have onto your computer. And you can see, Richard, that most of the driver status you will find out that they are in stop mode. You see that?
Yeah. Oh, how did they? Well, how did they stop?
Because I have already told you are getting some infections onto your computer from the internet, and these infections are affecting your computer drivers and your services and the softwares. So these are the infections who are doing that, that you might get onto your computer from the internet. We need to go ahead and check a scan. We need to go ahead and make a scanning onto your computer. That scanning will let us know that what kind of infections you are getting onto your computer and how we can remove them in order to give you the permanent solution. Okay.
Okay.
This is the security settings of the computer. This is System Security Action Center.
Yeah, I see that.
Let's see whether the security that has been provided onto your computer from the Microsoft, are they working or not. Okay, and now, sir, some of the firewall. Do you see network access protection agent?
Yes. Oh, what does that mean? I don't.
It is off. Like it is a kind of firewall of the computer. Every different task. It is like in a technical language, you can say this is firewall of your computer and can protect your computer from the infections that you are getting from the internet. It is like the Windows that you are using. It protects that, and it is not working. It means yes, there is something wrong onto your computer.
Oh,
Apart
okay.
from that, your computer is also running slow. I'm trying to open a Google page, and even trying Google is a very light page. It takes only fractions of seconds to open up, but on your computer it takes a lot of time.
Right.
It means yes, there are some issues. I don't know why this is happening. Let me try another way. And may I know, Richard, for what purpose you use this computer?
I just I'm a writer, so I write and then I just look at the news and things.
Okay, you're right. Well, that's good. So, what kind of books you write? Like, you like novels and poems? Maybe
Um,
I would like one of your
I don't
writing things.
I don't usually write books. I just kind of do research and write research papers.
Okay, research paper. That's good. It's running really slow. May I know, Richard, when was the last time you do the servicing of the computer, clean the computer?
I don't think I've ever had it serviced before, to be honest.
Richard,
It's,
if you are using a computer which is connected to the internet, onto the internet there are so many uh, dangerous websites, suspicious websites. If you go on them, infections get downloaded onto your computer automatically. And if you do not clean the computer on a regular basis, yes, you will face a trouble, and that may be the reason you are facing that trouble today.
okay.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to download a scanning tool on your computer that will scan your computer, and it will let us know that what kind of infections do you have and how we can remove them from your computer.
Okay.
Okay. It is. It's not even started downloading. It should be downloaded by now. Yeah, I think it has been started. And you can see, Richard, your internet speed is also very slow. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And apart from this computer, do you have any other device at your place that is connected to the internet? Any phone, tablet, or any other computer?
No.
Okay. So right now, the tool that I was talking about, Super Anti-Spyware, it has been downloaded. I'm going to install it now. Once it will be installed, I'm going to start to initiate the scanning process. Okay.
All right.
Okay, it's been installed now. Let's run it. All right, right. As you can see, it is right now downloading the update for this software. And once it will be downloaded, it will scan the complete computer. That it could be a files, folders, documents. Everything will be scanned, and let us know what kind of infections do you have. Okay.
All right.
All, all right, Richard. Now, as you can see, the scanning has been started.
Okay.
So it will take like 1 to 2 minutes in order to complete the scanning process. In the meanwhile, if you want to grab a glass of water or a cup of coffee, you may have it.
All right.
And you told me that you do writing or using this computer. So like you are doing for yourself, or like you're doing it for a university or what?
Mainly myself.
Oh, for yourself, okay. Because my brother is also doing the same thing. So maybe you could help him regarding that issue. So since how long have you been in this business?
Uh, um, Probably about a year now, I think.
Okay, that's good.
That's kind of neat.
Okay, it takes a lot of time. Usually, I don't know what's happening. Registrar is checking the registry of your computer. Do you see that? Near about 26,000 objects has been scanned. Until now, we haven't found anything wrong, and that is a good sign that we haven't found anything wrong on your computer. And you told me, sir, that you have Malware-Byte on your computer.
Yeah.
Okay. May I know how do you get this Malware-Byte? You buy it from a store or you buy it online?
I think it came with the computer. I don't know. I don't remember.
Okay. All right, Richard, I can see that you have logged into your Facebook account and your PayPal account as well on this computer, right?
Yep.
Okay, because whenever you go to the onto the internet, like onto the Yahoo News or any other website, do you see any kind of advertisements, any pop-ups onto your computer?
No.
Because these website they also carry some kind of links. By mistake, if you click on them, some infections get downloaded in the computer, which can provide the information of your computer onto the internet, so anybody can see that what you are doing, which website you are going on to. So I would think that it could be at risk because yes, you have done using your Facebook account and the PayPal account. These all things can also be at risk. So it's a big reason to worry that. Have you ever done any kind of online banking or internet shopping on this computer or pay any bills?
Yeah.
In that case, Richard, I suggest you do not do that until unless you get a proper security on this computer. Because the malware-byte that you have on this computer that is not even running, that is not even protecting the computer, that is only antivirus, which is not even working. Let me just show you why I'm telling you that. If I go to the properties of the malware-byte, and if we go to the compatibility, you see the compatibility mode. It is compatible with Windows XP. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, and the Windows that you have on this computer, I think it is Windows 7. Let me check it. Oh, come on, it's running. Oh yes, sir. You are using Windows 7, and the Malware-Byte. If you go to the Malware-Byte properties, the compatibility is compatible with Windows XP. So it is not even compatible with the machine that you are using. That is the reason it is not even protecting the computer.
Oh,
And
okay.
if you do not have any protection, yes, you will get the infections. So I suggest you, if you are doing any kind of online banking, get a proper security onto your computer so that you will not face these kind of issues in future again. Either it could be your email address, your banking, your credit cards, your PayPal account, all these things is at risk. Apart from that, all the data that you have in the computer, like your files, folders, notepads, words, everything, every data that could also be at risk because if you have some kind of infections in the computer, using those infections, anybody can get in your computer and can see which websites you are going on to, what is your password for your computer, your email address, and all that thing, and they can misuse these things.
Okay.
So I suggest you that you should get a proper security. And first of all, let me just go ahead. You see, I'm trying to open even a very, very regular thing. Even after that, it takes a lot of time. So first of all, Richard, let me just go ahead and provide you all my details. My name is Bruce Walter, and I am working as a or level 2 technician on the floor. And before I go further and tell you the fixing process, Richard, I need some of your details like your name and your email address. So can you please go ahead and type these details for me?
Yeah. Okay.
Your complete name and your email address. Can you type that for me? Okay, thank you so much for providing the details, Richard. Give me a second. So on your computer, Richard, when we do the scanning, we have found some spywares onto your computer. Do you have any idea what exactly a spyware is?
Wait, you found what?
We have found some spywares on your computer. Do you have any idea what is a spyware?
No, I don't.
Well, let me just show you. Just give me a second. Because that is not a good thing that we have found on your computer.
What does this thing do? Oh, is this the connection thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright. This is kind of a neat looking program, I would say. Alright, go ahead. Sorry.
Not an issue, sir. Just give me a second. So I will search about the spyware onto your computer. You must have heard about the Google. So if you will search about spyware onto the Google, it will give us a result that what is a spyware and what it can do to your computer.
Okay.
So that's what is a spyware. Do you see that? Can you read out the lines for me?
Yeah. Okay. Spyware is the software that aims to gather information about a person or organization without their knowledge that may send such information to another entity without their consumer's consent, or the Okay, you get the point.
So that's what is spyware, Richard, and that we have found on the computer and giving you that trouble. So it means all the data that you have on the computer is at risk, and these are the same things which are giving you that message and affecting your system drivers and the softwares. So we need to fix that issue, and for fixing that issue, first of all, the first thing that we need to do is that, just give me a second, if we talk about a fixing process, first of all, we need to secure your network because you are getting these things from the network that you are using. Apart from that, we need to remove all errors from this computer. You remember those errors in the warnings that I've shown you?
Yeah.
After that, we need to delete all the infections and the spywares that you have on the computer. And we need to optimize your browsers that you have on your computer, like your internet, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. We need to secure it. Okay, so we need to optimize the browsers. Once it will be done, what the next thing that we will do is that we need to install a security on your computer because you are facing that trouble on your computer just because you do not have a proper security. And the security that I will suggest you is a completely 5 layers of protection. This security will give you the complete 5 layers of protection. What are these 5 layers? Let me just tell you. The first layer, it will work as an antivirus. So it will protect your computer from any kind of viruses that you are getting onto your computer from the internet. Apart from that, it will also work as an anti-hacking tool. So if there any person try to hack into your computer from a different location without your permission, it will stop them. It will do not allow them to go onto your computer. The third thing, it will work as an internet security. So if you're downloading anything onto your computer from the internet, and this security will find out that that file is not secure, so it will stop that file and it will only allow those files which are secure for your computer. So that is what internet security is, and that it will work as an. But fourth layer, it will work as an. It is email security. So like your email address, your Gmail account, your Facebook account, they will all be secured.
Okay.
And the fifth layer and the most important layer is that it will work as an identity protector. Identity protector means like your credit cards that you use on this computer, your banking that you do, and the most important thing is the IP address of the computer that you are using. IP address, have you heard about IP address? What is IP address?
No, I don't know what that is.
IP address, let me tell you, Richard, it is the identity of the computer. Like your name is your identity. In the same manner, IP address is the identity of a computer, and every different computer in the world have a different unique IP address. So that could also be at risk. And if anybody have your IP address, anybody can misuse your IP address for any kind of activities online. So that's the fifth layer. It will work as an. For the security that I'm suggesting you, that will give you the complete 5 layers, and these are the 5 layers that I'm talking about. And it will take us around only next 40 to 45 minutes to fix up all the issues. And you have no need to win the call for next 40 to 45 minutes. Once the issue will be fixed, you will get a call back from the level 5 technician that I'm going to assign a technician for you.
Okay.
So he will give you a call back and let you know that the work has been done. In the meanwhile, you can sit in front of the computer and see what the technician is doing. And everything will be up and running condition within 40 to 45 minutes. Everything will be taken care of, and your computer will work like a brand new.
Okay,
Okay.
sir, can I ask you what company
So
this is? I don't know what company I'm talking to.
sorry.
So, do you have like a website or something I can look at so I know what
So
company?
you are talking to Tek-PC Solution. That is a company which provides support for all the complete printers, and we have certified technicians from Microsoft. So you are using a Microsoft
Was it
computer. That is the reason you
that?
get our number on your computer screen, and that is the reason your call has been transferred to us.
Do you have a website I can look at?
Sorry. Yeah, there is a website. Let me just show you. Just give me a second.
I just want to know for the future reference if I need you guys again.
Yeah, not an issue, sir. I will also provide you my direct toll-free number. So in future, if you want to contact us, you can directly contact that number. You can ask for me, or any other technician will be available at that time. That technician is also going to help you out.
Okay.
Give me a second. Oh, it's not working over here. www.text.
Jeez. So when do you get off work?
So that's the toll-free number. This is the number in which in future you can give us a call back, and you can see we are accredited business.
Okay.
That is a website, Tek-PC IT Solutions.
So if
And if
So
you
if I
see the
need to call you in the future, I can call that number on the website and I can reach you.
yeah, that's the number. Let me just show you. Just give me a second. Let me just show you our website. We are BBB accredited business, so we are certified from BBB. You see, yeah. If you see, BBB has given us A plus ratings, and Tek-PC Solutions 18 years in business. That's the address, and you can see we are getting about 42 positive reviews, 95%, and two neutral reviews, 0 negative
That's
reviews.
pretty good.
Okay. Okay, so that's the thing. That's the website. And the toll-free number, if you talk about the toll-free number, that is 1-855-480-7873. That is a toll-free number. You can call on this number in future whenever you want to contact me, and I'll be there to help you out.
All right.
And Richard, I was talking about the security. So if you talk about the security, that comes with a subscription plan of 1 year and the 2 year. So in like if you want to go for the 1 year, in 1 year you will get the complete 1 year of security, that is a 5 years of protection. Apart from that, you will also get the complete 6 months of unlimited technical support. Unlimited technical support means within 6 months, if you face any trouble with your device, no matter it is a hardware issue, it is a driver issue, it is a software issue, it is a hacking issue, or it is a services issue, you can give us a call back. We will be there to fix the issues without any charges. So that is uh, planned for 1 year. If you go for the 2 years, you will get the complete 2 years of security. Plus, you will get complete 1 year of unlimited software support, or you can say unlimited technical support. That is kind of warranty for your computer, and we will be there to fix the issues without any charges.
All right.
And if you talk about the charges, like if you go for the 1 year, Richard, it could cost you somewhat around $149.99 for the complete 1 year of protection.
Okay.
And which means we will take care of your computer for the complete 1 year. The 2 years would cost you around $199.99.
Okay.
And within 40 to 45 minutes, everything will be up and running condition. So you can let me know, Richard, like you want to go, which plan you want to go. You want to go for the 1 year or the 2 year?
Um. Hey, which one do you suggest? Because I'm not very good with this sort of stuff.
I'm
I
sorry?
said I'm not very good with this stuff. So which one do you suggest?
So you do not want the security for your computer?
No, I want security. I just don't know which one I should get.
So I suggest you should go for the 2 years, because it will make sure that you will not face any trouble within 2 years. If anybody try to hack into your computer, it will stop that one. So that person, if any whatever the website you are going on to, you are going to your email address, that would be secured. Apart from that, the IP address,
Okay.
the identity of a computer will be get secured for the complete 2 years. So it will give you a peace of mind so that whatever you are doing online or onto this computer, all that data will be get secured for the complete 2 years. And in the case, rather you will not face the issue, but in the case if you face any issue, you can give us a call back on the toll-free number that I provided you, and your issue will be fixed right away without any charges for the complete 1 year.
Okay.
And you will get everything in black and white literature, whatever like documents, invoice, everything will be there. Everything will be sent on your email address.
All right. All right.
So Richard, let's go ahead and do it for the 2 years, right?
Okay.
Okay, just give me a second. So if we talk about securing your network, that would be totally free of cost for you. Removal of errors in the morning, that would be also free of cost. Infraction in the spywares, there would be charges of about $30. And optimizing the browser, that would be also free of cost. There would not be any charges for that. And there would be a one-time technician fee of $20. The total amount would be like $250. Let me just go ahead and open the payment gateway page for you. And may I know, Richard, which card will you be using? It would be a Master or it would be a Visa.
Um, it will be a Visa, I believe. I think. I haven't looked at my card yet. Yeah. You want me to get my card?
No, I don't want any information. I just want to know like the card that you are using. It is a Master. It is a Visa.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Apart from that, we don't require any other information.
Yeah, it's a MasterCard.
It's a Mastercard. Okay.
I don't know if I should broadcast this way or that way. Okay.
Level 5 technician outfit fee of 20. So let me just calculate the amount for you. 199.99 for the 2 years of security. $20 for the technician and $30 for removal of. So it would be around $250. So give me a second. And I've already given you discount. Just give me a second. And there would be a taxes of like $20. So total amount would be of $270. Like $269.99. And the card that you would be using, it would be under your name?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the name that you have on your card? Richard M. Tar, right?
Make this easy for me. Don't have to type my information in.
And you want the documents on this email address that you have provided us, that is Richard RTS. Okay. Can you please go ahead and tab the street, city, and all these details?
Yeah, I can do that real quick. Oh, my bad.
Escort Big Florida, right?
Yeah. Somewhere on here. There we go.
Okay, just give me a second. First of all, let me clear this thing. You're going to extract it over here. All right, Richard, these are the details that you need to fill it by yourself because we are not authorized to ask you these credentials.
Okay.
So please go and fill the details by yourself. And please do not speak while you type in.
All right, 5299312122. 19. CWE 669. Called card holder. Is that just one? Okay. Richard. Tar.
Now, if you allow us to practice the solution to charge you amount of $269.99 for 1 year of support and 2 years of security, please go ahead and click on Pay Now. So it is asking you for your PIN. So do you receive any PIN on your phone number?
No, I don't have any PIN.
The identification personal PIN. Or do you remember this pin?
That's,
The pin for your card.
sir, this is going on long enough. I think me and you both know this is a scam. Everything you said is a scam. I want to show you a few. I want to show you a
Sorry?
few things here because I think you know exactly what you're doing and how exactly you're lying to people. First off, I want to point out to you this is fake. This isn't real. And let's just start from the beginning, okay? So I want to let you know first of all, you're connected to a virtual machine that's completely clean. The first thing you told me was that event viewer, these are infection logs. These are not infection logs. These are normal computer logs that are inside your computer.
Sorry,
Sir,
I
shut
told you these
up.
are not the
Shut
infection
up.
logs.
Shut
These are
up.
the
I'm speaking. These are normal computer logs inside your computer. These are not infection logs. The next thing you told me, that's the wrong image. We go to the second one. The next thing you told me is that these were all stopped because of the infection. These are normally stopped drivers. If you go on your own computer, these are stopped drivers. These are not stopped by some infection. They are normally stopped. The next lie you told me was that network access protection needed to be on. That is completely false. This only needs to be on if you're on a domain, which I am not, so this is off by default. That's completely normal. Now, the next thing you told me was very interesting. You said that Malware-Bytes wasn't working on my computer because it was running for Windows XP Service Pack 3. This just means that if the program doesn't work with your version of Windows, you can run it in compatibility mode for that version of Windows. It's running perfectly fine. I can show you that right now. It's running perfectly fine. It scans perfectly fine. This is the latest version of Malware-Bytes. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I have listened to you talk for the past hour. It's my turn to talk, so shut up. Now, once this finally opens, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I also love how before the scan even finished, you said I had spyware. I love before this even finished, you said I had spyware. As you can see, there's nothing on this computer. This is fake. This was used purposely to catch you. It was a bait. I should also inform you that you've been recorded this entire time. I'm part of an organization that fights against scammers like you, and you're going to be published on YouTube. I have your IP address. I know you're sitting in India right now. You're not sitting in the United States, where I'm sure you said you were sitting in. You're nothing but a bullshit liar.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being online. This is Samara. I'm the supervisor. How are you doing today?
Yeah, do I have to repeat everything I just said? Because that guy doesn't know. Okay, I'm just going to repeat everything I just said, alright? So, when I called, the scammer said that I had a, let's see, is he still connected? Are you connected to my machine right now?
No, I'm not touching your machine
Okay,
at all.
transfer back to Bruce. I was talking to him. This is between me and him, not you.
I'm not doing anything on your machine.
Transfer me
you
back
have all the
to
control. You
Bruce.
can close session. Okay, you want me to transfer to back? Okay.
Oh, yes, Richard.
Why did I was not done talking?
You were able to listen to me, so that was the reason
No. You're going to listen to me and let me explain, and then you can respond. That's how this is going to work.
Okay, go ahead.
I was saying, before you decided to leave, before Super Anti-Spyware was even done, you said there was spyware, and as you can see, it was perfectly clean when the results came back with nothing. And then I also love, I don't know, you're pathetic, you know? There's nothing on this machine. You lied throughout this entire process. You're gonna try to charge me for. You're gonna try to charge me. You're gonna charge me for. Okay. All right. You said that there's a spyware on here. Show me where it is, because if you were to use something like Super Anti-Spyware, it should have a log of where it was. Am I right? Show me where it is, because if it's on here, show me where it is, because you said that there was spyware on this machine before the scan was even finished, and after it was finished, you clearly said that there's nothing wrong with the machine. So show me where it is on here. There should be a log on here or something that shows, you know, like if you go into here, for example, if you go into Malware-Bytes and you look in here, see how there's reports. See this? Look at this. These are scan reports. If there was anything found, it would have showed you where it was at. And as you can see, I just scanned it. I scanned it an hour ago. See that? Scan detection, 0. There is 0. Nothing in this computer. Shut up. Shut up.
It is not even free version, sir. It is a free version.
It doesn't matter if it's free, you dumbass. It works. It doesn't matter if it's free. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. It doesn't matter if it's free or not. It works perfectly fine. You said it didn't work at all. I have a recording of you saying that it didn't work at all. You are a stupid dumbass that has no idea. You read off the script. You're an idiot.
It is only telling you that it is protecting the computer, but actually do not protect your computer.
I have no idea what you just said, because you keep talking, you keep trying to talk over me, and I keep telling you to shut the fuck up so I can talk, and then I'll let you talk. So shut the fuck up. This works perfectly fine. It doesn't matter if it's free or not. The difference between the free and the premium version is premium has real-time protection. As you can see, there is nothing wrong with this computer. This is a clean virtual machine. You have been scam baited, and if you can't accept that fact, then you need to get a real job. Seriously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, your IP address, the information you've given me, I'm going to post it publicly. And people can do with that information as they please. They could DDoS your IP address. You can go you can go offline. I really could give a shit less. He's nothing but a piece of shit scammer sitting in India taking people's money.
Okay.
So what do you have to say to defend yourself? Because everything that you said is bullshit and it's lies.
Okay, then why did you call me?
To expose you. I called to expose you. That's what I called. I knew you were a bullshit scammer, so I called to expose you. So can you show me where the spyware is that's on here? Because you said there's spyware, so show me where it's at.
You told me that there was viruses on the computer. Your computer
I just told you that program was fake. It was purposely set up. It's right here. Look, I'll show it to you. It's right here. This was purposely made to scam bait. It's bait. It's what it is. It's fake. It was purposely made. This is not a virus. See, it was set up to purposely catch scammers like you. It's fake. And as you can obviously tell, when we did the scan, you ran that super anti-spyware scan, nothing was found.
If you want to get the security, let me know. Otherwise, I have to hang up the call.
Are you stupid? Do you have no mind? I just told you this is a virtual machine.
Okay, so now you can hang up the call. I got your point.
No, I want you to defend yourself. Show me where the spyware is. Because you said there's spyware on this computer before it was even finished scanning. Show me where it is. Show me where the spyware is. And explain to me what was the anti-hacking tool you're going to install. I'd love to know what those are. What were those tools you're going to install?
AVG
Okay, AVG is not an anti-hacking tool. There is no such thing as an anti-hacking tool. There is no such thing as an anti-hacking tool. AVG is an antivirus. And as you can clearly see, Microsoft Security Central is working perfectly fine. Yep, that's what I thought. Anyway, sorry about that. I was Facebook Living some of that. Alright, so as you can see, this guy was a pretty typical scammer. The bait worked. He did some things, as I was explaining, he did some things. He said that there was spyware on the computer before the super anti-spyware scam was even finished. He lied about Event Viewer. He lied about the drivers and MS Info. He lied about Malware-Bytes. As you can tell, it's working perfectly fine. And he lied about network access protection and pretty much a pretty typical scam, I would say. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. As usual, I'm going to be reporting the company. I do believe this is their actual website because they use it as a payment gateway. I was going to hang up and call it, but I decided not to because I pretty strongly believe this is their website. I did a search, and I found that there were more websites under the same email, so let's see if I can find that. When I close out of it? I just get so many windows open every time I'm doing this. Okay. So it looks like they have all these websites. They have the HagueGroupIncorporated.com, HarkensHolding.com, HarkenVentures.com, HarkenDataGroup.com, TLC, some Tek-PC Tek-PC Solutions, and for SPS, or SPS, that's just what I'm saying. Partners, I don't know. I'll leave all these websites and their information in the video.